Oh, I am so sorry, Moosey. Did I disturb you?
Oh, what? Oh, no, I was just sleeping. But what are you doing, Miss Rachel?
Oh, I am counting numbers today.
Counting numbers?
That's right. Do you know your numbers?
I think so.
Well, if you're not too sleepy, would you like to join me?
Oh, let me stretch first. Okay, I'm ready now.
All right. Well, first we are going to need these snap cubes.
Snap cubes.
Right. We are going to need this. But most importantly, we are going to need this balancing scale. Can you say balance scale?
Balance scale.
That's right. Or balancing scale. Can you guys say balance scale?
Balance scale.
Thank you, Moosey.
You're welcome.
All right. Now let's begin counting our numbers. Let's start with the number 1. Can you guys say 1? And hold up your pinky like this.
1.
1. All right. Now, Moosey, what happens if we put in 1 cube?
I don't know.
Shall we try it?
Yes, please. Ooh, it went down.
That's right. Now, what happens if we put in 1 cube in this one?
This one? I don't know.
Let's try it.
Okay. Oh, they're the same.
That's right, they are the same. And do you know why they're the same?
No.
They are the same because there is 1 cube in this bucket and 1 cube in this bucket.
Oh, 1.
That's right. They both have 1, so they are both the same.
Oh, I see. I understand now, Miss Rachel.
Oh, careful, your glasses are coming off. Can you
Yes.
see better?
Oh, yes, thank you, Miss Rachel.
All right, now let's go on to the number 2.
2.
That's right. Can you guys say 2?
2.
All right. So, what happens do you think if we leave 1 cube here, but we put 2 cubes in here?
2.
2.
1.
Let's see.
Oh, that side goes down. This side goes up.
That's right. And why do you think that is?
I don't know, Miss Rachel.
Well, this one went down because it's heavier. And do you know why it's heavier?
Oh, because there are 2 there?
That's right.
Oh.
There are 2 in here and there's 1 in here.
Okay.
And 2, 1. And 2 is greater than 1.
2 is greater than 1.
That's right. So if we put 2 in here, there's 2 in here now, and there's 2 here. 2, 2. Now they are
The same.
That's right.
Oh, I like this game.
So do I. Now let's go on to the number 3.
3.
That's right. Now what color should we use this time? Shall we try red?
Yes, red. I like red.
Okay, let's put it in here this time. Oh,
Oh, Miss Rachel.
yes.
Something happened here.
What happened?
This side went down and that side went up.
That's right. And why do you think that is, Moosey?
I think I know.
Would you like to tell our friends?
Yes, because children, this side has 3 and that side has 2. And 3 is greater than 2. Is that right, Miss Rachel?
That is very right.
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm getting smarter.
Okay, now let's make it the same, shall we? So what do we need to do to make this the same?
3, 2. Yes, I know, Miss Rachel. Put one more on that side.
All right, let's count. Well, there's 1, 2, 3. Are they the same now?
Yes, they are the same.
Yes, they are. Now let's go on to to the next number. 4.
4.
Okay. Now let's put. So there's 1, 2, 3 blocks in here. Putting another, and that makes 4.
4.
Now, what do you see, Moosey?
Oh, that side went down and this side went up.
That's right. And why did that happen?
I know, Miss Rachel. Because that side with 4 is greater than 3.
That's right. 4 is greater than 3, so the 4 went down while the 3 went up.
I see, that's great.
All right, now let's make it even, shall we? Let's make it the same.
The same.
The same. So we have 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
and 4.
They're the same, Miss Rachel.
Yes, they are. Now, let's go on to our last number for today. And that is the number
5.
5. That's right. Now, what do we need to do to make this a number 5?
This time, Miss Rachel, can I choose a color?
All right. Let's choose a color.
I like black.
Black?
Black.
Okay. Now, let's see here. Let's count again. That way we know that we need to make sure we have 5, okay?
5.
All right, so 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5.
5.
Oh,
Okay.
Miss Rachel, this side went down and that side went up.
Yes, and why is that?
Because there are 5 cubes here and there are 4 cubes there. That means 5 is greater than 4.
That's right. All right. We have learned our... Oh, let's make this the same first, shall we? Which color should we use next?
Red, Miss Rachel, red.
All right, so we have 5 here, and now we have 5 in here. And now they are the same.
The same.
Well, Moosey, I think we just learned 5 numbers.
5.
That's right. We learned 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
and 5.
5.
All right, and I think we had. Did we have fun today? I think we had fun today.
Great time, Miss Rachel, but now I'm not sleepy.
Oh, must be all that counting then.
Yes.
Well, we only learned 1 through 5. Maybe
Okay.
next time we can learn the other numbers.
Oh, yes, I would love that, Miss Rachel.
But I think we need to take a break. I'm starting to feel sleepy.
Oh, you're sleepy now?
Yeah, all that counting made me tired.
Oh,
So I guess we'll have to say goodbye here.
okay.
Bye, kids. Thanks for learning with us.
Goodbye.